So this is for the overall Deep Hitters title. Individually listening to the trucks and the vans.
What about the price?
We got Big Fredo here. What up, Big Fredo? What's going on?
Same old shit. Trying to observe.
What up? Still out in the game, Fredo.
Yes, sir.
Many of you know him as the Family Band. Back in the old school video Vic did. With the Memphis Mojos, ain't nobody touch him yet. Undefeated. Beast, Deep Hitters magazine.
Right here, if you need it.
I'm waiting to hear the hype from Ralphy sounds. Let's see if he can do what he says.
Alright, Pookie?
Yeah.
It tickles?
It tickled my nose.
It shook your hair?
Tickled a little bit of hairs I got left. The hype, the myth of Ralphy sounds is true. It should sound pretty good. Oh.
We got Big Chew in the house. We got Big Chew now doing his own thing. Check him out on Miller, doing his own shit. And good shit too, yo. Hit him up. So we're here again, going here in each every vehicle that's up for the title. Big Deep Hitters magazine, deephitters.org.
Go hard. Make sure you do whatever it is that you gotta do. That's your job. And niggas gon' hate, but that's...
Oh! Get the fuck out of here. Man, where the flood at?
I don't know.
Yo, it might rain though. I think he heard the forecast is gonna rain.
He came with it.
Yo.
Money, bring back 100, take 20 more minutes then I'm coming. I could fuck you longer, but bitch I'm in a hurry. Hurry up, same boat for the money. Swear on the shit, everybody fly around, like hustling, hustling the dummies. I got a big ego, please don't touch me. Fucking for some, fucking out the country. Sister with the homies, you got home lonely. Call it my pony, fucking white boobies. Fuck the police, these niggas know they know me. Boobies for the rollies, niggas ain't brodies. Hoes got them trippin', cuffin' like cuffmin'. Don't know where her tongue be. Puts it in the fucking sink. I don't care what the bitch think. I just know one thing. Bitch better have my money. 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 Yeah. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Better have my money. If the bitch talk, tell her bounce like a bunny. I don't give a fuck about what that bitch talking. She ain't got